Hey guys, today I've got my Frigidaire upright deep freeze. It is a 20.2 cubic foot freezer, and it's actually huge. It's very tall. I don't know if you can tell really from the video, but it's a little over 6 foot tall. It's practically in like new condition. Show it off a little bit here, and I'm going to open it up and show you that it's freezing like it's supposed to. And I've got my temperature gun here right in between those two red dots. It's going to take a surface temperature measurement, so we'll open it up. Shoot it right inside there, you can see. It is negative, just about negative 20 on full blast. The longer I stand here with the door open, the more that temp's going to go up. And I've got just a couple of frozen bottles of water here, one in the door as well. But all these shelves, perfect condition. You've got several shelves in here. This pulls out. Same with the bottom, pulls out. You've got a thermostat back there in the corner, so if for some reason you didn't want it to be quite that cold, you could turn it up a little bit. Information on the tag, and of course I have all this in the pictures as well, but it's a 2016 model, so it's just about 4 years old. The seal on it is perfect, and like I said, it's in excellent to like new condition. So just wanted y'all to see that everything on it's working perfect. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. You know, you get it home, plug it in, you're going to be good to go. So I'll go ahead and get this video listed up, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Thanks, and have a great day.